For these room darkening panels, I experimented with the best way to hem the bottom of the panel. The blind hemmer left little tiny light holes at the top of the hem, which I didn't want to do. I used a sticky product, double stick product, and I wasn't happy with the way that held. Plus, I wasn't sure how that would hold up. So I found that for this fabric and for these panels, the best way was to use an iron-on bonding tape, and this is from Rolly. So what I have done is I folded up the first 4 inches of my double 4-inch hem, and then I have taken and applied the iron-on bonding tape about a 1/16 of an inch below the fold. While I was applying this, I stuck a pin in either end to make sure that once the product dried, it didn't cause any shrinkage of the width of the fold. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to warm up the adhesive. In my experience, I have found that when the product is warm, it it helps to release the protective paper. So I'll just warm that up as I go, remove the protective paper, and I'll do that all the way to the other end of the hem, and then I will take and I will fold up the remaining 4 inches and press along the other side. And I found that this product with this fabric, and remember, in custom, we are always experimenting with the best method for the fabrics that we're working with. And this product created a beautiful hem, and I know I'll be happy with it, and in turn, I'll be happy with that in my client's home as well.